So there's something interesting going on here. It sounds like there's a woodpecker right here on the side of the hay barn. Hay barn! Now, it takes long breaks in between, so I might not get it on camera without a lot of dead space. I can't see it. And at first I thought it was creaking wood as I moved the bales that were against that wall. And probably talking doesn't help, so. You heard that right, it's not in my head. It's definitely coming from right here, and there is no bird. Oh, there it is. Cool. We got a lot of woodpeckers around here. You might not be able to see it, it's dark.